Hi, I'm Henry from Perennials Garden Center. Welcome to week 4 of our Perennial of the Week series. This week's Perennial of the Week is going to be the Sun Sparkler series of sedums. And in that series we have Dazzleberry, Cherry Tart, and Lime Zinger. Now, like other sedums, these are going to be very easy to grow. They actually will thrive on some neglect as well. You want to grow them in a dry location. You want to grow them in full sun as well. Not a plant that's going to take a lot of moisture. So once they're established, very, very drought tolerant, you have to do very little with these. Now these are going to top out about 6 to 8 inches in the garden, so you can use them in a rock garden, you can use them as a ground cover, you can use them in containers if you wanted to use them in that regard as well. So it's going to be a very easy plant to grow. Now these were bred to have different colorations to the foliage, but also too for when the flower clusters start blooming to have larger flower clusters as well. Now you can combine these with a lot of different things. One great combination would be something like the Cherry Tart with this little spire Russian sage. What makes this a really nice combination is the great color of the Cherry Tart with the silver of the little spire will go very, very nicely together, and also the color of the Russian sage bloom as well. Now this is also something that's going to take a lot of the same conditions as the sedums. It wants full sun, a drier soil. And keep in mind that is also after once it gets established though. So until it's established, you want to make sure you keep an eye on the water, but then after that they'll have a lot of great drought tolerance to them. This will top out about 2 feet in the garden, whereas our sedums will top out about 6 to 8 inches in the garden, so this will do really nice behind the sedums. You could also combine grasses with these sedums. For instance, here we just have Perennial Hamlin, which is going to be about a 2-foot, 2.5-foot grass with the plumes. Gets really nice kind of bottle brush-like plumes to it in the late summer into the fall. So you could do the sedums in front of this grass, or you could even do something like the little blue fescue here, which would stay to about 12 to 15 inches, but that silver color would go really nice with the sedums as well. If you'd like to add a little color to go along with your sedums, this wonderful Rebecca Little Gold Star would be a great addition. This is going to top out approximately 18 to 20 inches in the garden. And it's going to like a lot of the same conditions that the sedums like. So it's going to want to be a little bit on the dry side, want the full sun, and a nice mass planting of this with actually the Dazzleberry would look wonderful together in the garden. So hopefully this gives you a few ideas of what to do with the sedum series. I'm Henry from Perennials Garden Center, and hope to see you down here soon.